Introducing the CurdyDrain H. The CurdyDrain you know and trust, now with a horizontal outlet. With a horizontal connection to the drain pipe, the drain flange can be positioned anywhere, regardless of drain pipe location, while ensuring a secure connection to the assembly. Available in both ABS and PVC with a 2-inch outlet, the CurdyDrain H is ideal for applications where the use of a vertical connection to the drain pipe is not possible or practical. Need a lift? The Curdy Shower CB compensation board raises the installation to make all those connections possible. And of course, everything is designed to integrate with the Schluter shower system. CurdyDrain H. Take your drain in a new direction.